In this video, I'm going to share with you the second step you need to solve any subnetting problem. Hi, my name is Jolanda James, and I'm an AWS and CCNA certified IT professional. For this video, you will need your 4-column method subnetting cheat sheet that you can use to solve any subnetting problem. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it. Please subscribe. Okay, so there are 5 steps to the subnetting process. After you find your interesting octet, the next thing you need to do is identify your subnetting row on your subnetting cheat sheet. So to identify the subnetting row, all you need to do, for example, if they give you this IP address with the CIDR, with the subnetting cheat sheet, you'll be able to find the subnetting mask, the first, the last, the broadcast, the number of hosts, everything. So here's how the second step you need to do is, like, let's say they ask you to get the subnetting mask. Now, it would be impossible, not impossible, but really take a long time and a lot of space to create the chart in front of you here. It's just too complex and too hard to create on exam day when you're under stress. So instead of having all of these CIDRs, /8 to /32 already pre-written, we do something different. You're going to use your 4-column method subnetting cheat sheet. And all you need to do, it includes every single CIDR that you'll need. All you have to do is start on row 0. You start on row 0 and you start counting at /8, /16, or /24, whatever is closest to your CIDR without going over. So for example, we have this /26. The closest CIDR would be /24. So you would go 24, 25, 26. So this row is your subnetting row. It will contain all of the answers you need to solve your problems, like block size, number of hosts, number of subnet mask, CIDR. You can get everything from this one row. Now, if we were to write out all the CIDRs, then /26 would be this one. So it'd be this row. It would be this row. But luckily, we don't have to do that because we only have to draw the 4 columns and we just start counting from 0. And we will find the row that we need. So 24, 25, 26. And this row contains everything you need to find all your answers. Okay, good. So the next step in the 5-step subnetting process is to identify your subnetting row. And you do that by starting counting at 0 from the closest CIDR without going over. Also, if they give you the subnet, oh man, that's so easy. All you have to do is look at this second column here and find your subnet. So if they gave you 255, 255, 255, 192, all right, you just go here. You're like, okay, there's 182. So here is my subnetting row that I will use to solve all of the subnetting problems. Ta-da! Okay, I hope that helps. See you in the next video. Please subscribe. Also, go check out the subnettingcheatsheet.com where I walk you through step by step on how to solve subnetting questions. Thank you. Bye-bye.